Hi friends, today we are going to cover creating a PDB from non-CDB. So, in this practice we will perform the following. Create a new PDB by cloning from non-CDB and create a PDB using tbms underscore PDB package on a non-CDB database. So, practice assumptions, you have the MRP1 and CDB database up and running. You have MRV2 and its non-CDB database up and running. So we'll bring up the MRV1 and MRV2 databases. We will start the appliance. So MRV1 will start. Similarly, MRV2 will start. So the server has started, MRV1 and MRV2 both have started. So we'll log into PuTTY, log into MRV1. Login as Oracle, and then we will go to SQL Plus. So first we'll start the listener. Then we will log in to SQL Plus. Then we will start up. Similarly, we'll go to MRV2. So MRV2 is not connected. So the IP address has changed to 106. So PuTTY MRV2, this has changed to 106. Save and open. start the listener. Then start the database. Okay, MRV1, the CDB database has started. I will exit. So I'll have to change this to 106. Then I will admin. Okay, I have CD1, PDB2, PDB2, but I have Ora DB, so I will copy this. Okay, so I shall make the changes to DNS admin. So non-CDB database also started. Now let's connect to the non-CDB database from MRV1. MRV1 secret class system oracle at DB ORDB. Not working. Maybe I need to check the listener once again. Yeah, the SIT list is not there. Okay. SIT list. Copy this. Okay. SIT list is ORDB. And now OraDB.local domain has one instance. Now I will try to connect. Legal address parameter. I will have to give now it's correct. Maybe I have to disable the firewall to stop the. So then if I go so there was some problem in the host file, the IP address was incorrect, so I have corrected it. Now if I ping, if I do TLS ping OraDB, TLS ping OraDB, it's okay, working okay. So if I try to connect system Oracle at OraDB, yeah, it's connecting fine now. So let's proceed with our tutorial. So we'll create a database name. Create database name OraDB name, connect to system identified by Oracle using OraDB. database name created. Now you can run this to check whether the database name is working. Now retrieve the list of file name from DBA data files. So we have 4 files in the DBA data files. Actually, in our case, you do not need to know the location of the source non-CDB data files, because OMF is enabled in the target CDB database. The step is mentioned here to document that you need to know the location of the source data files if OMF is not being used in the target CDB. Then we will create a new CDB by cloning from ORADB. Notice that you do not use the file name convert in our case because OMF is being enabled in the target system. Otherwise, you have to use it. So OMF is configured. So we'll just create the database PDB7. Maybe I will have to give student. Now let's run this. I hope it will work this time. So the pluggable database has been created. Now we will set the container to PDB7. So we are in PDB7 container. Now we will run this script non-CDB to PDB.SQL. Non-CDB to PDB.SQL. It takes few minutes, about 20 minutes in my case, so it will take around 20 minutes, so be patient. Hi friends, around 35 minutes to 40 minutes it took for the script to run. So it has completed. So now we will open our pluggable database. Now we will see, we will verify that the application data that was there in the non-CDB is there in PDB 7. So first we will verify the username. So HR, as you can see, HR is already there. So now if we try to select from employees table, account from employees table, we see 107 rows have been migrated. So our non-CDB has been converted to a PDB successfully. So now we will, to save this page, let's drop PDB 7. Session altered. PDB 7 close. Then we'll drop pluggable database PDB 7 including data files. So that's it about this chapter. Next, create a PDB using a DBMS, using the DBMS underscore PDB package on a non-CDB database. In this section, we will create a new PDB named PDB8 by creating an unplugged PDB from non-CDB and then plug the unplugged PDB into CDB. DBMS underscore PDB package is mainly your tool to implement this procedure. In MRV2, restart the database in read-only mode. So in MRV2, we'll shut down immediate. Okay, then we will do startup mount. Then we will do alter database open read only. Alter database open read only. Database altered. Now we will execute the procedure. We'll execute this procedure. Procedure successfully completed. Now we'll copy the generate XML file to MRV1. You can do so by executing the following command in MRV2. So in MRV2, we can run this following command. Yes. So ORDB.xml copied. Oracle ORDB.xml. MRV1 create a directory where you will copy the data files in it. MRV1 over a db.xml is there. So in mrb1 make a directory and in mrb2 generate the code to copy the data files of non-CDB to mrb1. So we will run this code. Run this code in mrb2. Log into SQL Plus. So these are the commands. So these are the commands we'll have to run. We have to run. So copy the generated. Make sure it doesn't have any formatting issue. Shut down the database. Execute the code line by line. So first we'll have to shut down the database mrb2. We'll have to shut down the database. Shut down immediate. Okay, shut down. Exit. And we will run this code line by line. So first one first. Okay, then the next line. Okay, and then the next undo table space. And the last one, users table space, users data file. Okay, so we have copied that. MRB2 generated line. In MRB1, check if the unplugged PDB is compatible with your CDB. So we will check this. We'll have to check this. run this command in one. One have to log in as SQL it says compatible, so we are fine. Then we will run sudo permission of copied files from in MRV1 change the permissions of copied file from MRV2. Then just to change over done. So then we will run this command create pluggable database PDB8 using the XML file. I copied the file, it was looking the file at a different location, so I copied the file in that location. Now I will do this. I will create pluggable database PDB8. So the pluggable database has been created. Next we will have to run the non-CDB to PDB. So we'll set the container to PDB8 and then execute this procedure. It will take around 40 to 50 minutes to complete. So it will take around 40 to 50 minutes. So please be patient. So the script has completed now about after 30 minutes. So now we'll proceed to the next step. We'll open the pluggable database. Open the pluggable database. A pluggable database open. So let's run a query from DBA PDBs. So we can find PDB 8 and status is normal. So now about cleanup, we'll set the container to root. Then we'll close the pluggable database. Then we'll drop the pluggable database including data files. So that's it, friends. We have in this practice you implemented the following two methods of creating PDB from a non-CDB database by cloning the non-CDB online through a database link, by using dbms underscore PDB to plug copies of non-CDB database data files into the CDB database. In both methods, the non-CDB database must be open for read-only operation during implementing the method. You must run Oracle supply script non-CDB to pdb.sql to convert the non-CDB into a PDB. Thanks for watching. Bye.